Hi student, very welcome once again to my channel. Today I am going to start my new topic, capacitors combination. How the capacitors are connected in the series combination, how the capacitors are connected in the parallel combination. First of all, we will start today, capacitors are connected in the series combination. In that case, what will happen? Two or more capacitors are said to be connected in the series combination if right plate of one capacitor is connected to the left plate of other capacitor. Okay. First of all, we will make the diagram. From the diagram, I will clear everything to you. What we will do? Consider three capacitors. One capacitor, two, and third capacitor. The three capacitors are connected in the series combination as we discuss in the definition. We will attach with the source such as battery. It is the capacitor number 1, 2 and 3. It is the potential number difference 1, V1, V2 and this is V3. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Means to say positive Q or negative Q. Positive Q, negative Q. Positive Q, negative Q. Okay, and what will happen in that case? In that case, potential difference remains different, but the charge remains same. How it is possible? We take example of the disco light. The light which we use in the Diwali festival. What will happen? In that case, if this capacitor is break, this capacitor is break, what will happen? The circuit is break. How it is possible? In the disco light, there is a numerous of lights. In the dancing light, there is a numerous of light. If the one of the light is break, it means that. But what will happen? That series circuit is break. In the Diwali festival, we use ladis, the lights. If the one bulb is break, means the circuit is break, which means that potential in that case remains different and the charge remains same. If we break from this part, there is no another way of entering the charge. This is the only way of entering the charge. If we break, there is a difference is there. It means the charge cannot be enter from there. Okay, as we know that C is equal to Q upon V. What will happen? In that case, what will we say? The potential remains different, but the charge in the series charge remain same. This is equation number 1. Okay, the net potential in that case is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, rearranging this equation, what will we get? V is equal to Q upon C. Okay, and the charge remains same, so that V is equal to this, V1 is equal to Q upon C1, V2 is equal to Q upon C2 and V3 is equal to Q upon C3. From where these values are come? These values are come from one thing you have to remember. What will happen? The charge remains same but the potential is difference. Okay, then what will? V is equal to Q upon C, V1 is equal to Q upon C1, V2 is equal to Q upon C2. Substituting this value in equation number 2, what will we get? If we substituting this values in equation number 2, what will we get? C is equal to Q upon V. V is equal to Q upon C. Okay, what will we get? Q upon C is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. This is equation number 3. If we take common from here Q, then what will we get? Q is equal to 1 upon C, Q 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Cancel out. 1 upon C, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C. It means that these three capacitors are said to be connected in the series combination. It means that 3 that case 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. It means that these capacitors are connected in the series combination. Next we talk about when the capacitors are connected in the parallel combination. In the parallel combination, there are different way to entering the charge. Means to say, these are the capacitors. These are connected in the parallel combination. A battery is applied to them. Okay, capacitor, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive and negative, and then this is the potential difference. Okay, what will happen in that case? This is minus q. And in the previous case, potential difference remains different and charge remains same. But in that case, the potential difference remains same, but the charge remains different. How it can be possible? In the household electricity, we get 220 volts from the electricity department. How much voltage we gain from the electricity department? We get 220 volts from the electricity department. They give us 220 volt. And there in the household there are numerous of switches, numerous of circuits are there. We are using LEDs, we are using refrigerator, we are using electricity bulbs, we are using AC, we are using presses, we are using microwave, we are using geyser. Different devices require different voltage. Okay, different devices require different voltage. In that case, the circuit is parallel circuit. We take another example. If we break a one circuit from here, then what will happen? If we break one circuit from here, what will happen? There is a various way to entering the charge. From this way, it is possible to entering the charge. From this way, it is possible to entering the charge. But in the case of when the capacitor are connected in the series combination, it is not possible. Okay, then the total charge is equal to Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. As we know that C is equal to Q upon V, or Q is equal to CV. In that case, voltage remains same, but the charge remain different. So then what will we do? Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, and the Q3 is equal to C3V. This is equation number 1. Substituting these values in equation number 1, what will we get? Q upon C. Rearranging this equation, we get Q is equal to CV. Okay, now what will we get? CV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Okay, we have from this equation we take common V, common C, taken C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, cutting, then what will we get? C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the combination when the capacitors are connected in the parallel combinations. Okay, what we have to main thing you have to remember. You have to remember one thing. And the parallel circuit, in the case of parallel, the potential difference remains same. In the series, potential difference become different. Okay, this is the case of when the capacitors are connected in the series and the parallel combination. This is all about my video. If you have any query regarding anything, please contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.